As you guys are well aware, Google Ads provides the best quality of traffic out there because you're targeting people at the very moment they're looking for a product or service, meaning you hit them at the right time in the right place and they can transact on your website. But what about affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing requires a ton of traffic to be driven to an affiliate website or product in order for you to generate affiliate commission. So the question we're answering today is Google Ads the right channel and the right medium for affiliate marketing sales? And can you get affiliate marketing sales and commissions if you leverage Google Ads search campaigns to generate traffic for your affiliate network? So we're going to answer that question and look at this in real detail coming up. Hey guys, Darren Taylor of thebigmarketer.com here, and my job is to make you a better marketer. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'm Darren Taylor, a digital marketing consultant and trainer. I specialize in search engine marketing, so PPC and SEO, and if you're interested in that, you should consider subscribing to the channel. And in this video, we're exploring whether or not Google Ads can be leveraged successfully for affiliate marketing. So let's jump right in and understand what kind of traffic you need to be generating for affiliate marketing. Well, simply put, the traffic needs to fall into two categories, and they are of course being relevant. Your traffic for your affiliate product or service has to be relevant, and it also has to be cheap, or even better, it has to be free. Now, the premise of these two functions of traffic are really important for affiliate marketing because of course the margins are so narrow because you don't own the product, you're selling it on behalf of somebody else. So these two things are important. So let's look at these two areas and see how Google Ads stacks up. So let's answer the first question, of course. Is Google Ads free? Well, of course, by now you should know Google Ads is not free. It's not a free source of traffic, and in fact traffic comes at a premium because you're targeting an active segment of the market, those people who are looking. If you imagine an entire industry of products and services where there is an audience of people who could use your products or services versus those actively looking in the market, Google Ads targets that small segment of people actively looking, meaning the traffic is expensive. In addition to that, the cost per click in Google Ads is increasing year over year. There's a general upwards tick in terms of the trajectory of the average cost per click in pretty much any given industry. In fact, PPC agency Markle, part of the Dentsu Aegis network, have mapped cost per clicks over time, and you can see here the cost per click overall in Google Ads increases over time. And if you think that's bad enough, it's even worse than you think, because of course it also goes for branded traffic. So it's not necessarily an indication of the competitor market where people are trying to outbid each other for a finite number of searches for active terms or for top level generic terms. Also, branded traffic is seeing an increase in the cost per click over time. So in terms of sustainability for PPC to be a channel for affiliate promotion of products, you're pretty much going to struggle massively by leveraging Google Ads as one of the main sources of traffic for an affiliate sale. So now you can see the trajectory of clicks is increasing. What do you think about affiliate commissions? Do you think they are increasing? Do you think over time for any given affiliate product or network that your affiliate commission checks are going to increase in value per sale? Well, in fact, the complete opposite has happened, of course. As you know, Amazon slashed the value of their affiliate commission checks in half. They cut them by 50%, and that shows you the general trend of where affiliate networks are going. They're always going to be cost cutting. They're going to be thinking of themselves first and their clients, of course, first in terms of the actual top advertiser on the affiliate network. They're going to focus on those guys. So at the end of the day, you need to realize there are cheaper sources of traffic out there than Google Ads, and that's one of the major reasons why it's not necessarily the best thing for affiliate traffic. The second thing I asked you was, is Google Ads traffic relevant? Now, of course, you know Google Ads traffic is relevant because, of course, you're targeting people searching for your products right now. So we answer that question very easily. It's definitely relevant traffic, but it comes at a premium cost. So if you can get the clicks into your website, you will generate conversions, but essentially the race and the balance is between the number of clicks you're generating at the cost you're paying for them versus the value of conversions as well. Because as you know, as an affiliate, your conversions don't mean you get the whole amount of money for the sale, you get a small slice of the value of that transaction. So that's important to note as well. So Google Ads traffic is relevant, but it also comes at a premium. So should you use Google Ads to generate traffic for your affiliate campaigns? Well, let's answer that question. But before you do that, if you like what you're hearing so far, hit the like button below and let me know in the comments, question of the day. Have you used Google Ads to generate affiliate revenue? And if you have done, tell me all about it. I'll be really interested to know. It sounds like I'm giving Google Ads a hard time. If you've had a different experience, hit me up in the comments. I reply to pretty much every comment I get. So is Google Ads a good source for affiliate traffic? Well, it depends. There are only a few things you can do within Google Ads to make sure you can do the best you can to generate affiliate traffic. And these are the 3 things you need to think about if you're using Google Ads to generate affiliate traffic. The first thing you can do is brand name bidding. If you're bidding on people's brand name, typically that traffic will be a lot cheaper than if you're bidding for generic top level terms. So if you're bidding on something like SEO tool or PPC tool and for something like that, that's a top level generic term. However, if you're bidding on the brand name of other tools in the market, for example, SEMrush or Moz or something like that, that click cost is going to be cheaper than the top level generic tool. But it's really important to note, if you're advertising a product on behalf of an affiliate, then you need to make sure you don't obviously bid on the brand name of the product you're promoting, because I think 99% of networks kick you out for doing that. So that's really important to note. So bid on the competitors to the product you're promoting, and that should give you cheaper traffic costs. Another thing you can do to reduce the cost of your traffic in Google Ads for affiliate marketing is you can use terms that are further down the buying funnel and research terms. So if you're looking at products and services, try appending reviews onto the end of your keywords. So using the same example, instead of saying SEO tool, say SEO tool reviews, because that keyword is lower down the buying funnel. It's not somebody looking for the service right now. They might be in the future, and that still means it ticks the box of being relevant, but it also could tick the box of being traffic that's also attainable at a good cost as well. So not just reviews as a term, you can also use things like versus. So maybe Moz versus SEMrush, using the same example. These kind of terms, or even comparison terms like SEM versus SEMrush comparison to Moz, these kind of terms will work really well to deliver cheaper traffic, but also ticking the box of being relevant as well. The final thing you can do to improve the likelihood Google Ads will work when it comes to affiliate marketing is choose a product with a high premium or recurring commissions. Now, of course, with an affiliate product, a lot of the time you sell one product and you get a slice of commission based on the value of the sale. So you try and get as many transactions as you can. However, a lot of affiliate networks out there offer a commission recurring, because of course, if you bring them a customer, for the duration of that customer's life cycle, you'll receive a commission check every single time they pay their subscription. So even if you lose on the front end and you pay more in traffic than the initial transaction, in the long term, what you will see is you will gain a ton of commission over time, and that can definitely help balance the books and make your affiliate campaigns more profitable as well. In addition to that, you can also focus on affiliate products and services that have a high transaction value. Now, this will obviously take a longer time to sell, and means it's not necessarily about the volume of sales you're generating, but more about the size of the sale you're generating. So it might be a bit more of a slow burner. You might make less money over time, but at least the campaign will be profitable because your commission check is going to be a lot higher. So it balances the books that way as well. So you can make profit by doing this too. So these are the 3 things you can do to generate affiliate sales on Google Ads with low traffic costs. But my final word of warning is this. Affiliate marketing is being touted as a great money-making opportunity. More than likely, you would have seen potentially a guru before this video I've made right here on this channel, and they tell you it's very easy, anyone can do it, all you need to do is promote this product or service, and you can make a ton of money, make $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month. But ultimately, affiliate marketing is successful to those who already have an audience. If you don't have an audience, don't expect to be successful from affiliate marketing overnight, or even indeed at all. Most successful affiliates, if you think of any industry, regardless of what it is, whether it's makeup and beauty, whether it's technology, whether it's gaming, every person who does well from affiliate marketing, if you look at the legit people in affiliate marketing, they have an audience to sell to. Now, it's in a passive fashion or in an aggressive fashion, it doesn't matter. The audience is there and they can sell to that core audience. If you don't have an audience, affiliate marketing isn't necessarily going to work for you. So please remember that. Don't think you can jump on Google Ads, generate traffic to an affiliate product or service, make it profitable, and then bank a ton of money off the back of doing that. The likelihood of that happening is incredibly slim. So ignore all the gurus, ignore all the nonsense, cut through the noise, and focus on running profitable campaigns, and park affiliate marketing aside when it comes to Google Ads. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like below. Let me know in the comments the question of the day. Have you had any success running an affiliate campaign on Google Ads and generated consistent revenue? I'd love to hear from you because of course you know my thoughts on this subject. I reply to pretty much every single comment I get, so I can't wait to reply to you down there. If you like what you hear, like the video too, and more important than that, don't forget to subscribe and check out the other content across my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.